The Dreamsicle's front porch wraps around to the front door, creating a feeling that is open and inviting. Once inside, the light wood flooring and antique white cabinetry in the kitchen provide a palette for softer hues. The living room paneled wall is painted soft pink and sets the tone for a peaceful mood. The kitchen is showing 42-inch upper cabinets, quartz countertops, and a stainless steel appliance package with a gas range and upper and lower ovens, great for the serious cook in the family. The laundry room is conveniently located right off the kitchen and has extra storage with the additional 42-inch upper wood cabinets. Surrounded by windows, the dining room seats 6 to 8. The Dreamsicle shows a round dining room table as well as a sideboard. The master suite is right off the living room, spacious enough for a king-size bed, and has its master bath accessible through a pocket door. This bath utilizes space efficiently with a double vanity and undermount sinks, walk-in shower, and a water closet, as well as a large walk-in closet behind the bifold doors. Off the kitchen, you'll find another large bedroom and a flex room that is shown as a home office, but could be a cozy reading room, craft room, or whatever fits your needs. The second bath, complete with a tub, makes this area of the Dreamsicle its own little suite, perfect for having guests. The Dreamsicle is one of the 4 conch cottages at Latitude Margaritaville. Be sure to stop by and visit.